Investing your capital wisely is the first step to long-term financial growth. Understand the difference between active and passive income streams to maximize returns. Always start small to manage risks and protect your initial investment. Reinvest profits to compound your gains and accelerate wealth creation. Diversify your investments across multiple sectors to minimize losses. Track all expenses and income to know exactly where your money goes. Use the power of interest and dividends to make your money work for you. Learn to identify high-potential opportunities before the market catches on. Avoid emotional decisions. Stick to a clear financial plan at all times. Set measurable goals for each investment to monitor progress effectively. Keep an emergency fund to protect your capital from unexpected events. Study market trends to anticipate profitable moves in advance. Leverage small loans wisely to scale investments without overexposure. Automate savings and investments to ensure consistent capital growth. Network with experienced investors to gain insights and advice. Understand taxation rules to legally optimize your net returns. Continuously educate yourself on finance to stay ahead of market changes. Evaluate every new investment opportunity critically before committing. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated and reinforce good financial habits. Always review and adjust your strategy to adapt to market dynamics.